talk about this question. So we are given that if the absolute value of y is less than 2, then which all of the following, so there can be multiple correct, is true. So we should know the concept over here that whenever we are given that absolute value of y is less than 2, in fact, there's a generalized solution for it. Let's say absolute value of x is less than a, where a is definitely a positive real number. Then we can definitely say that we can right away say that its solution is x should be less than a and it should be greater than minus a. So this is the concept which we are going to use over here. So if we extend the same to this question, that's going to look like absolute value of y is less than 2 means y is between absolute value of y is less than 2. This means that y is between -2 and 2. Y is between -2 and 2. Now let's talk about first question. It says that y is less than y squared. So that is actually possible because if any value, if there is any value of y, let me take a different color over here. If there is any value of y, let's say which is between 0 and 1, then in fact not 0 and 1, if there is any value of y which is between 1 and 2, let's say the value of y is 1.5, then definitely the square of 1.5 is more than the value of 1.5 itself. So the option A will hold true in this case. If option B says that is y cube can y cube be less than y square? Uh, then y cube is less than y square is also possible, because that will be possible when y is between 0 and 1, because between 0 and 1, the more you increase the power, the lesser the number gets. So y cube will keep on decreasing and this will decrease, and y square will be more. So when y is between 0 and 1, this is also a true statement. And on option C says that y square is less than 2. So definitely this is also possible for the same reason that, let's say, if y is between 0 and 1, then the square of this number will also be between 0 and 1. So this can also be a true statement. So all of these are possible true statements, which are possible in different range of the value of y, and the allowed range of y is over here. So option A, B, and C both can be true for this particular inequation. Thank you.